Glaciers are not static. It's moving elements in the high mountains. I have been studying glaciers since 2000. What happens at high altitude or in polar regions does not affect only mountain communities, it affects also downstream communities. As temperature is increasing, the volume of these glaciers is shrinking, and therefore there is more and more water in the rivers. This will lead us to what is called the peak water. But from that moment, all that water volume will only continue to decline. Why? Because the glaciers will have become so small that they can only provide a limited amount of water. What is very important also is to design some data sharing facilities, because not only the government will benefit from it, the scientists will be able to exchange some data, but also local communities are in strong demand for this. We cannot control nature. We first should respect it and study it, and also evolve with it. Since a few years, there's a strong strengthening of the collaboration between governments, institutions and universities in order to design not only this long-term monitoring, but also contributing to the development of national development plans or adaptation plans. The whole world is looking at what is happening in Tian Shan, in Kyrgyzstan, in Pamir, in Tajikistan, because we realize now that what is happening in high mountains affect everyone, not only in Central Asia, but ultimately all over the world.